Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to tune weapons in Arknights Endfield. So basically, tuning a weapon increases the weapon level on the game. So all you have to do is find the weapon that you'd like to tune. So simply pause the game and select any operator that you'd like to upgrade the weapon for. So for instance, this particular one, or rather tune the weapon. Select the weapon that they're using and then select this option, level up, select that. And then from here, you can see the option tune. Now keep in mind, this will cost you a couple of materials. So you can see the materials at the bottom left of the screen. So select them. And if you don't have enough, you can simply choose the source and go find that particular material. And once you have enough materials, all you have to do is select tune. And as you can see, that weapon has been tuned. So you can now upgrade it to the next level. So let me just upgrade to the next level. So you can select autofill and then upgrade it. And there you go. So that's basically how to tune weapons in Arknights Endfield. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.